FINIGE Brass Handheld Bidet Sprayer for Toilet by FINIGE is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper sprayers products. B076Q3M8TTTHIS FINIGE Brass Handle Toilet Bidet Spray Handheld is the best choice for your daily personal hygiene, bathroom bidet, Muslim shower baby cloth diaper sprayer, cleaning, rinsing, toilet spray, disabled care and so on. Adjustable water flow function brings you comfortable self-cleaning experience. It comes with all components for standard installation such as bidet sprayer head, 3-way T adapter, stainless steel hose, bracket, hook etc. The manufacturer even provide tape, screw, washer etc. small parts for you. You have no need to purchase any other parts from local hardware store. Meanwhile, it's so easy to install this bidet toilet sprayer combo, no plumber needed, you can finish installation within a few minutes, only need simple tools such as wrench or screwdriver etc. Installation tips 1. Be sure to connect the cone nut end of the hose to the hand shower head and hex nut end to the T-valve. 2. Use washer attached in the packaged box, the bigger for tank and water supply connection, the smaller, normally already in the hose end, for bidet hose and bidet sprayer head. 3. Do not connect too tight or loose. Note 1. Only compatible with 7-8 inches toilet, not compatible with 1-2 inches or 3-8 inches or the other size tank toilet. 2. When installing this unit, be sure that the water supply valve by your toilet is fully turned off and that there is no flow leak of water before removing any plumbing components from your toilet. Failure to do so could result in flooding and water damage. 3. Turn off the 3-way T diverter after each use. Specification. Type. Toilet bidet sprayer kit. Material. Stainless steel, brass handle. Color. Silver. Thread size, G1 2-inch IPS coupling, male. Package included. 1 by bidet sprayer head. 1 by 3-way T adapter. 1 by stainless steel hose 1. 2 meter, 47-inch. 1 by hook. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. One-stop shopping service, package include, handheld bidet sprayer head, T-valve adapter, bidet sprayer hose, hook and bracket etc. Universal and standard & compatible dimension. The T adapter and bidet sprayer are both made by strong brass with beautiful chrome finish. For smooth and reliable operation, they are much better than APS or stainless steel material. The shut-off valve gives ability to turn off or adjust the water pressure coming into the bidet. Multi-purpose and ideal for personal hygiene, perfect for feminine hygiene to prevent urinary tract infection, ideal for elderly adults, also can be used as cloth diaper sprayer. Easy to install and simple to use, this bidet sprayer for toilet is convenient for any bathroom. Comes with DIY accessories. Complete set for 10 minutes installation easily and quickly. Special promotion, price for limited time, and limited quantity supplied. Big deal. 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. Refundment with no reason policy. See